What's good, guys? Green day in the market today. I didn't tour today as I just got surgery on my wrist this morning, but I was watching the market, so everything went according to plan. Once again, what is that day? 3 days in a row, I guess. So we're gonna pull up the charts. I am clearly not in my usual setup, but I am going to make this work. So let's see. I think this should be good. Hopefully this works out. So here's the chart from yesterday. I did not change it at all. I was calling for this ABC right here. It looks a little awkward. I don't know why it's changed. Maybe this is a little farther out. Or something like that. Just go back to my last video and you'll see that. So this rectangle right here, this is the area I said you really want to watch, because maybe we come down to here and bounce, but I was thinking this was more probable, and that seems to be what's playing out. I said this is two scenarios. One, this is the bottom, and we bounce right away. Second scenario, we come down to 432, and then we bounce. But I kind of went with this one as my preferred scenario, and that played out. We reclaimed 439, as you can see. So what are we looking for now? I think we can move this A wave up. Maybe we have a deep retrace test, 440, something like that, somewhere in this area maybe. And then we have a move, fill this gap. Let me get rid of some rectangles here. First, we hit one of our targets. Right, I gave these 4 targets. We hit that first one. That was pretty likely to hit, and we may be heading to the second one. I think we pull back soon, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna give you a little technical analysis lesson here. So let me just unclutter this. What else can I get off of here? This. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. So that first fib we hit, we actually closed above it, which is, I guess just something to know. No, nothing crazy, but yeah, that gap fill. It's highly likely we fill that, and I'm gonna show you why this first wave may be over. So I'm actually gonna leave that there. So we're gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna show you some Elliott wave theory here. So I actually may be doing, like, in the future, some individual videos on how to do Elliott wave theory, because I know there's a lot of people interested out there, and when I was learning, nobody really gave it's hard to find anything on Elliott wave theory that's simple, and I think I can simplify it and make it easy. So yeah, I really want to teach people about this stuff because it's pretty groundbreaking. So just off the bat, we're just gonna kind of like sketch this out. Maybe wave 3 and 2, wave 5. So this is Turkey. Maybe this is top of wave 3. Maybe that's wave 4. But wave 3 can't be the shortest. It looks proportional to wave 1. So this can be okay, and this can be okay. So we may have to make 2 scenarios for the next move here. So if I put wave 3 like this, this is proportional to wave 1. I put it like this, wave 3 is proportional to wave 1, and this is extended. Wave 5 is extended. So we're just gonna map this out quick. Wave 1, we're gonna look for the retrace. On the retrace, we retrace to the 0.5. So this is wave 1 and 2, pretty clearly. And then we find the next target. We draw this from wave 1 to wave 2. And this is tricky because you don't really see. Actually, zoom in, maybe we see solid resistance here. Yeah, right here. I think that could be wave 1 maybe. Yeah, that looks like it. Oh, sorry, wave 3. So we're gonna call, where did everything go? Wave 1, 2, 3. We're gonna call this the top of wave 3. So wave 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna look for wave 5, which you draw from wave 3 to wave 4. And we got rejected hard here. So what I think we have is the extended 5th wave. Actually, to play it safe, what we're gonna do doesn't make sense. Because I was saying maybe that's wave 3, but you look at this, that's kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I'm gonna go with this. So it's likely this is what it looks like. Extended 5th wave, these are proportional. Wave 3 is not the shortest, so this is okay. This is very, 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 very likely the A wave, and we are likely to retrace tomorrow. There's a possible chance this is the ABC. Okay, I kind of have to rewind a little to show you the bearish case. I don't want this to be confusing, but I think this is important to point out. So we did hit this level, and there's a chance this is our ABC. Because if you look at this, maybe, just maybe, it's unlikely. It doesn't look proportional, so I think we can keep that out of the picture. So I'm gonna go back in here, and we are going to assume this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now we look for the ABC of this ABC. Something like that. So how do we do that? Well, we draw the fibs. So if this is one wave, we can draw the fibs, bottom to top. And what you want to look for to know if you do it right is like 7.64, for example, that will be lower to the bottom. So if you're looking for a retracement, you want these higher percentages to be at the bottom. So this is how you know if you do them right. So where can this wave go? These are the high probability areas. The 0.5, likely. The golden pocket. This is a very what's the word I'm looking for? Stocks tend to go to the golden pocket, 0.618. And so I think these are the levels where we'll go. Anywhere in this range tomorrow. This is my guess. There's a chance the 5th wave can go a little more, but it's unlikely. But you know, we'll just do it as a possibility. So 445, 446 in one move. 446, don't buy here. If we do not pull back and go to 446, don't buy here. Not a good idea, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. So this is where I'm going to be looking to pull back. This is just kind of an estimate. Who knows? Something like that. But this is just a sketch estimate. So after that, I can't really give targets. We need to know. Sorry, my arm's hurting a little. We need to see where we go, and then I can give the targets for the next move. So like something like that. So we're just gonna assume we come to the 0.5 at 440, test that, you know, support, and it's likely rebalanced because this is an ABC after 5 waves. So yeah, yesterday I kind of did that sketch. We had that gap. We also have a bigger fib. So everything is seriously lining up for this 446, 447 area. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty likely we retrace and then we bounce one more time. If I'm being honest here, okay, I'm going to try to make myself wrong here because I'm only giving one scenario. This is something you really want to be able to do. Look at both sides of the picture, because if you can't do that and you have a bias, you will lose money. Because if you just like, oh, this is going up, you're gonna lose money. And you're probably gonna learn the hard way. Everyone does. I've had plenty of lessons. It's the only way to get good at this stuff. So I'll try to look for something. Clear 5 waves. I called for that bottom, and I even threw out the ABC. It stopped somewhere where I was saying. However, I do that in the last video. Maybe we I see. This is important. Right here, we have somewhat of a resistance. No, we'll draw from the stop. Whatever. Right here. This is interesting. Yeah, this is the trend line to watch. This is the downward trend line, and then for the support, I guess we can just use fibs. So 440 maybe. It's looking likely again. 440 once again to 446, 447. So I'm really seeing pull back to 440 to 447, 446 to 447, right around here. And I'm predicting the up move way ahead of time, so like I could be wrong about this move because I don't know where this will retrace yet, but it's likely we see 440 before going any higher. Just because 440 is kind of a psychological level, and we're going to be watching that downtrend. I think we'll break it on the second test of it. So yeah, I think tomorrow, maybe pre-market we drop. We can gap down pre-market maybe, or we just drop right at open and find support, bounce. I think we see another green day. If not, maybe I don't know. I'm not really seeing anything else, so I'm pretty bullish for tomorrow. But in case I'm wrong, I'll make a possible scenario, I guess. Even though it doesn't look right, we'll just say this is an ABC. Something like that. Actually, we can keep this possibility here. So let's just say this is an ABC. We go up in the morning, and then right after that, we just tank, I guess. I think if it's an ABC, yeah, actually, no. This is the one bearish scenario I have right here. See, this is what happens when you don't have a bias. You look for the other side and see other possibilities. You can see it's pretty proportional. So yeah, maybe we go higher without pulling back, and that's where I would be pretty skeptical. And it still hits that 447 area that I was aiming for yesterday. Said that I was aiming for yesterday. So everything's looking towards 447. And after that, you're really gonna want to watch 446, because if we break this, SPY is gonna get destroyed. 430 if we break that, 420, and then that would be another 5 waves down. So bearish development, yeah. Next few weeks, I'm not too optimistic on, but short term, could make some money on it. So yeah, that's it for this video, I think. I showed you how I do some technical analysis. Yeah, I want you guys to let me know like what kind of videos you want me to do, because you're my viewers. I want this to grow. I want to give you guys what you want to see. So yeah, just like let me know in the comments. Yeah, however, just let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, that's where that video is gonna end. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Peace, guys.